So in this video, we're going to take a look at this amazing new browser-based 3D editor called PixCap. PixCap is a real-time browser-based 3D creation tool. So as you can see, I've used Megascan assets right here, and it's really amazing how PixCap handles Megascan assets, right? And this all runs in the browser, so it's pretty amazing what you can do with it. Today we're going to create this scene in PixCap. Really fast, super easy. Let's get started. Okay, so first you need to go to their website, right? This is their website. After that, create a project. After you do that, you will see the PixCap editor open up. You can use these shortcut keys for viewport navigation. Okay, so let's add an object in our scene. I'm going to add a sphere. You can move the sphere on each axis like that. Now you have the rotate tool and the scale tool as well. You can quickly switch between these tools using these shortcut keys. So I can rotate the sphere right here. You can also scale the sphere evenly. Now if you go to the inspector panel, you can change the color of the object, right? You can also increase the polygon count of this object. Now let's add a sky background. So to do that, deselect everything. In the inspector, select the skybox as the background. That will give you a basic skybox. Here you will find settings for environment lighting, that is the indirect lighting. Then you have post-processing effects as well. Okay, so those were the basics. Now let's actually start making the environment and the animation, right? So to do that, I'm going to go to the library. And PixCap offers thousands of 3D models, characters and animations. So this is pretty amazing. So we need a character. I'm going to go to characters and add this character right here. Just click on it. The character has been added. This is a skeletal mesh. So if you're familiar with Unreal Engine or like any 3D application, right? A character has a skeleton and that skeleton influences a certain part of the body, right? So you can select each bone and you can rotate it if you want. So just Ctrl Z on that. Next, we are going to go to the animations panel and I'm going to add an animation to this character. These are the animation import options. Select your skeleton. This looks good. The default settings work fine, so just import this animation. The animation is applied to our character now. So we need to go right here and bring up the timeline. Before doing anything, you need to disable the auto keyframe option right here. I'm going to set my animation 60 frames long, right? And it's going to play at 30 frames per second. So if I play this animation, you'll see that this works. The animation is looping seamlessly, which is pretty amazing. After that, let's create a camera. Position your camera. Go to the camera view. This is what the camera is seeing and this is what is going to be rendered. Okay, now let's focus on the environment creation part. Now this is pretty amazing, so I downloaded some Megascan assets from Quixel and we're going to import those Megascan assets. Go to My Files and you can import your files from here. So these are FBX files, so I'm going to select one of them and import it in my project. After importing it, just click and drag to place it in the level. So just select the mesh and now you can apply textures as well. At the time of recording this video, PixCap supports the color map, the normal map and the metalness map, with additional maps such as the emissive maps and opacity maps. So I'm going to import the color map. For the metalness, I'm going to use the roughness map. And I'm also going to import the normal map right here. I wanted to keep this video super basic, so I only imported 2 assets and used only 2 assets to make the environment. You can also select the direction light, which is the sunlight, and you can change the color, you can change the intensity, you can rotate the direction light. Okay, so environment looks good. We have the animation as well. Now finally, let's end this tutorial by animating the camera. So select the camera, turn on auto key, zoom in and zoom out, right? So that's going to add a keyframe. Go to the last frame. Then I'm going to create a zoom out animation. So I'm going to zoom out and move my camera a bit upwards. Turn off auto key, and there we go. So we have a smooth zoom out animation. And finally, if you want to share this, you can export this as a video file. So go to export it as a video, specify your resolution and just export this. So that's it. So if you like this video, please leave a like down below, comment what you think about PixCap. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And that's it. I'm going to see you guys in the next video.